And we need to go and create this one as well, this sign in page. Very easy, very easy process. So yeah, let's do it one by one. Okay, I will just copy it. Okay, to make sure I will use it once I created this one, but since we don't need this status bar again because we already created, so yeah, let's start from here. So this is the logo that we will be replacing. Okay, so all right, let's decrease the size till that much. Oops, what's happening over here? Where are the round like edges? So this is the reason, because we have give it 21 pixel round edges, right? Since the sizes decreases, so now again the same roundness, but the size decrease, so it's mean like it gives a complete roundness, right? So to either do that, we can either increase decrease it from here, okay, or there is also another tool which is very handy when it comes to this, is of course the scale tool. This tool is very handy, and trust me, you will love this tool. So to do that, I will just via scale tool, I will decrease the size. Okay, now if I close it, so you see it gave us that much. The ratio is now 100%, the same as what we have over here. So that's why the roundness is like that. So I will just give it like 8 pixel to make sure it is the same. Okay, I think let me just increase it, so I will make sure it is 100% the same, right? Okay, now it's text again, so I will either select this text or hit T. Okay, now I will type the best way to learn UX design. Perfect. Now I draw this text. Okay, and since I draw it, you see over here these texts are middle aligned. To do that, to make it middle aligned, I'll just select this, and you can see in this properties align center. So now the text is align centered. Now again, I will increase the size, so let's select maybe from the predefined one. Let's try 32. Yeah, though, so the sizes are fine, but we can give it and decrease the line, the spacing between the characters, and till it match. Okay, I think this is perfect. Let's make it -2. Okay, we will make sure it like these are the perfect. It needed to be perfect, right? So the best way to learn UX design. Okay, and you can also try to find the perfect icon, the perfect font. In that case, like you can definitely search for it, and if you found it, it will be, let me see if it's unbound. No, it's Ubuntu. I think this is also not. So you need to to just research for it, but if you didn't found, you can use whatever font that you like. Okay, but make sure like it match somehow the same. So I think in that case I'll make it bold and take it to where like here. Okay, perfect. Now the text is created. Now again, we have to create those buttons as well. So to do that, we have these icons as well, and these icons as well, and like if we create each and every icon, it will be time taking. So we will try to take help from the internet as well. Okay, so first thing first, we need over here, if you look around, we have this rectangle, then above that rectangle we have this text, right? And we have this Google logo as well. So to do that, let me just again come over here and select rectangle tool, and draw a shape like this. Okay, I'll make sure I draw it on the top, and I will also make sure it hit the top like this. Okay, perfect. And again, I will make sure to make the roundness as well. I think it's how much it is. I think it is 8. Okay, okay, perfect. And also, if you see over here, there's a slightly change between this like the border and the fill in the middle, so we can give it a border as well. Okay, I will give it a stroke, and now to select the right color, I will just use, with the help of color picker, I will use the bright color. Okay, so this is the color for the border, and again I will give it a color for the fill as well. Boom, we have created the button background. So again, over here we have the text as well, so I will just hit T and select and type continue with Google. Perfect. And I will decrease the size to maybe 16 pixel. I'll make sure it is the same like over here. Perfect. I think this is the same. This is exactly the same. First time we are succeeded, and the first time. All right. And now we also need this Google. So to do that, I will try to go to a website which is let's try I think SVG repo. This is a good website, and it's free as well, and it is a lot of like unified icon as well. So we have same family font, which definitely we will be discussing in future. But yeah, let me search Google. Okay, and didn't found over here. Go to the next page. Yeah, so here is the Google. I will download it. Perfect. I just downloaded it, and I will drag it to this, to here. So I will drag it to here, and you see this is big. I will just hold Option and Command to make this, to decrease the size, right? Okay, I will make sure it is the same as this one. Okay, perfect. Now we created our Google icon as well, and since it's SVG, we can easily change the color to white. Okay, and boom, I will drag it to over here. So that's how we have the Google button created. Okay, I will select all of those and Command G to group it, and we'll name it Google button. Perfect. Google button is created, and now if I drag it, so you see those buttons are the same. Okay, now since it's we created the structure, it will be easy to do for the rest as well. So I will just do, for the Apple one, I will just select this color, and for the stroke one, I will select this color. So the reason I'm doing this in the Dell, so you guys also make sure to see like all the details over here, and most importantly, from here, within a matter of minutes, you understand in a real app how much the button size is, right? So now the height is 42, right? The width is 345. So this is very, very handy tool. Trust me, this technique will definitely change your life. Okay, again, where is the text? I don't see the text, because the text is here, but they are the same colors, right? And with the background, so either I can select from here, or even I can double tap over here and change it to black. Okay, perfect. Now this is not if you see over here, this is not 100% black, right? So I will also make sure to select and choose the right color from here. Okay, now again I need to find the Apple icon. So to do that, again I will come over here and go to SVG repo, and I will search for Apple. Okay, this is the icon that we needed. Okay, download it, and boom, I will drag it over here. So zoom out, decrease the size, make sure it is the same size as the one we have over here. Perfect. And I will give it the color as well what we have over here. Boom, we have created this one. And now what I will just copy it and delete this one and paste it and rename it, continue with Apple. Perfect, 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 perfect. Now we have the Apple button is created as well, and the same is for the Facebook. So I will just rename it, continue with Facebook. Perfect. And now again I will come to SVG repo and search for Facebook, and I think, let me see, okay, they have used the round one. We will also found we need to find the round one. Okay, we found it, and boom, again I will just drag and drop over here, and okay, so very easy, very easy. Make sure it is the same size. So I think this is the same size, and again I will just command and I will cut it. So command X and delete this one and paste it over here. Okay, and continue with Facebook. Yeah, perfect. This is what I need, and boom, we created 3 buttons in a very short time, and we will create the rest within a very short time as well, because we don't need icon over here. So yeah, let's copy it. I'm for the copying, just remember I'm holding like option, right? And once you hold option, we can do it like this, we can copy it, but I'm holding shift as well, so it give me a like a perfect what do you call, I don't know, but I'm digging it perfectly. Okay, my English is not that good, but trust me, no, my English is good, very good. And like you need to focus on the what I'm doing, right? If you focus on that, and trust me, it will change your life. I'm telling you, and because this thing changed my life. Okay, perfect. I will just rename it, and let me see what was the name of it. Continue with SSO. Okay, so here is the assignment for you. What is SSO? Just make sure you write the answer in the comment, and make sure I will also align it to the middle. And then lastly we have continue with email. Okay, I will just delete this, and I will make sure this button is the same as this one, and I think the stroke is also the same over here, so I will make sure to do that for the stroke as well. And continue with sorry, this is sign up with email. Okay, select all, and I will fill it with white color. Okay, perfect. Now the button is created as well. Okay, sign up with email, and let me just rename this like login, if I do have already account, then I will just log in over here. Okay, perfect. I will just make sure it is the perfect size. Okay, this need to be middle align. Perfect. Boom, we created the another page as well, which is the I get started screen, sign in screen, whatever screen you want to name it. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is select each and everything that we have created, unselect the background, which we don't need. This status bar as well, which we already created. So I will just hold shift and drag it to this screen. Wonderful, we created another screen in a very short time, and trust me, it is time saver. Okay, so I will give it a sign in via social. Perfect, or continue with via social. Okay, perfect. Boom, we created this one as well, so let me delete that